Hi guys, you are welcome back to my channel. My name is Moni and I want to quickly welcome you to another vlog. So if you are seeing my face for the first time, my name is Moni, like I said, and I'm a new immigrant here in Winnipeg, Manitoba. I just got here 6 months ago and I guess I'm still new. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click on the subscribe button down below. So today is Wednesday, by the way, and I'm off work today. So I'm having an eye appointment. I don't know if I posted a clip of where I said I failed my driving eye test. So I was asked to go and retake the test with a prescription glasses. So the other time I took it without glasses and I failed the test. I didn't even know that I failed it until I took the paper given to me down to the place to register for the road test, and they told me that I failed. And I also have a lot of things to do today. I want to make moi using lentils. I have so many food in my kitchen cabinet that I haven't tried yet. So this year I want to explore and eat different things that I haven't eaten before and see the ones I like and the ones I don't like. So yesterday I was scrolling through TikTok and I saw someone making moi with lentils, and I remember that I have lentils in my kitchen. So I've brought it out and I'm going to try and make moi today with it and see how it tastes. So what else am I doing today? Okay, this evening we are also going for my son's school's winter concert. They are having a winter concert this evening and I will be going there with my friend. Her kids are also in that particular school, so we'll be going together and all that. So I just fixed my nails. Yeah, you're going to. So I just fixed my nails. I bought these nails for myself last December. And they've been falling off just because I don't know how to fix nails properly. So they came in 3 different designs. This one, and this one. So I think they look good and presentable. So that's about that. And the reason why I even came downstairs now is because I got a call from Canada Post that I have a parcel, and I'm suspecting it's the wig I ordered from TikTok shop. I decided to try ordering things from TikTok shop, and I think the wig is here. So, and I went downstairs to check my doorstep and I found out that it wasn't there. So I sat down here to read the mail and found out that it was dropped in our mailbox, not at my door. So I'll pick that up on my way out. I can't go out in this cold. It's very cold. Is the heater on?
No, yes.
It's not. It's still very cold. So I'm going to pick that up on my way out. So I think I'm ready for the day. I'm really loving this lighting. I'm sitting down in front of my door and the light is given. It's given. I saw this on TikTok yesterday. Someone was making moi with lentils, and I remember that I have lentils in my kitchen. So I'm going to try and make moi with it when I get back from my outing.
I'm making a video of you.
I'm making a video of me. Okay,
Yeah.
That's good. I just want to see what it looks like. This one is looking different though. The one I saw on TikTok is orange like. This one is not orange, this is brown. I don't know if you can see it. Is this lentils? Or will I soak it in water? Rinse, then combine 1 cup of lentils and 3. I don't know. It's looking different from the one
On the TikTok.
It's looking different from the one I saw on TikTok. But I'm still going to make it like that anyway. I don't know if you can see. Can you see? It's brown.
I cannot even see it.
Am I showing you? So, I just want to show you what it looks like.
Now wait. You better read this. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween.
Let's see for my husband. This envelope. Don't forget it. Say, well, where are you going to?
Good.
Okay. Let's see you back from school. So, I'm back from my eye test. So I'm going to go back there and try and register for my road test. So this is the hair I got from TikTok shop. I hope it's okay. Here comes the snow. It down. Up on the ground.
I think was telling me this song when I'm in grade 1.
Snow.
No, not the song.
Hey, Isaac, you're going to follow.
Mommy,
Remember, you're not wearing your snow boots.
I know I know the song.
Okay. My kids are in school already, although we'll be going to their school in the afternoon. They have a PTA meeting, or tri-conference or something like that. So that's what they call PTA meeting. So they're having their PTA meeting today. I scheduled their meeting for today, and I'm going to going back and forth. I'm going to go for one at 4:30, then the next one at 7 p.m. So, but I just want everything to be over with. Yeah. So they want perform the transport skills from cone to cone. So what are you supposed to do here? Maybe you take one and go there.
So for this one's just hopping, so you just hop to that cone. Okay, so on one leg. Okay, so it's like this. You ready?
Yeah. Can you see? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's 10. So you throw the dice again. What number is there? What number is there? 6. Okay.
Green is the grass. Brown is everything. Purple is a plum. Blue is the sky.
Black is
Black is everything. And red is cherry pie.
good. Clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. Yeah, what's the next thing? Names of the people in your class.
This one.
Okay.
Okay.
Here is the point.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, names of the people in your class. What's this?
Amir.
Can you get up from the floor? Did you misplace anything? Your gloves, Uko. To make I want to make vegetable soup. I want to make different kind of meal this night actually. I want to cook potato and I want to cook curry stew and include potatoes. I've had this potato since last year and I want to try and make it. Where is this soft? So I want to try and make it. So I'm going to be cooking it with my cooking curry. I had to melt the palm oil. So I was supposed to have made this vegetable soup yesterday, but because I didn't have enough vegetable, I couldn't make it. So what is the vegetable? Okay. So I've gone to African store and I've bought I think 5 parts of this. Huh? No, we'll eat it tomorrow. I'm going to clean it and marinate it this night. So I'll catch you guys later. My phone memory is full, so I have to be careful not to make too long videos. So I want to put fish. I'm also going to be blending pepper. I usually blend pepper and put them in the freezer. So I used the last batch just now. So I'm going to blend more pepper, then grill more chicken and put in my freezer. So I'm supposed to put, this is locust beans. I brought fresh locust beans from Nigeria. So I decided to try it, and in fact they didn't even check my luggage at the airport. I freezed it too. I kept it in the bottle, then put it in the freezer before the day I traveled. So I'll just quickly really quick. I don't cook every day, but the day I cook, I really hate how my kitchen looks because I'll have to clean and clean and clean before it's clean. So my vegetable is still cooking. Okay guys, I will catch you guys later. Bye. I think we've come to the end of this video. If you watch up to this point, I want to say a special thank you to you for watching up to this point. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate you watching my videos. So here I was just taking a brush before going to bed. So guys, I will catch you in my next video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.